Look, Green Guard ain't with it. Look at him. He going crazy. He like, man, I know you eating some mother up there. You think Green Guard gonna come out?
He looked like he wants to, but it's not happening. Shadow, why are you looking at me like that? Shadow, you look a little strange. Seriously. I'm showing too much attention to the bird.
Now look at Blue. He's gonna go back in and cry. Yep. Okay. How do I get back in this piece?
I, oh, Bluey slipping. Green going like, that's why you shouldn't have got up there.
Bluey eating that. I see him picking at that mother. It's crumbs galore. You hear me? See, that ain't cool.
What do you think about this Shadow? Shadow is not paying attention to nothing. Just third.
Bluey was flapping his wings real hard today.
Yeah, because he been there. He's exercising. I told you that he needs to start doing what Green Gourd does, and that's exercise.
Yeah, Green Gourd said, I'm going to eat these seeds. My Bluey up there eating non-mother. Like, go ahead and do your thing, bro.
Millet.
It's millet.
Yeah.
Fresh millet. Fried millet.
Fried?
What's it called?
Millet.
Spring millet. It's a word in front of it.
Oh, maybe it is spring. I don't know. Uh-oh.
Green Gourd, like, I'm gonna get out. I'm tired of this food. These seeds. I want some mother.
He is having, I don't know if he having fun. Is he agitated because Bluey up there and he wants to get up there probably?
I know I'm glad that Bluey trusts me more than Green Gourd for some weird reason now. Green Gourd would trust me, but Bluey trusts me more now. Therefore, I like Bluey more than Green Gourd now.
Larry, you liked Green Gourd more than Bluey.
I did.
You're not giving these
I went inside the lab.
You're not giving the birds time to adjust to anything.
Bluey
You see?
Went inside the lab.
I see.
Now he climbed up on top of the lab. Now he up on top of that thing.
Go ahead, Bluey. Green Gourd could get out of there better than Bluey. I don't know why he having a struggle.
I don't know what Bluey finna do.
Probably sit up there like, shoot.
They get kind of scared.
I'm in hall, yeah.
Now I guess I can have some seeds up there too now.
Green Gourd trying to get up there, but he don't know how.
All the way at the top now. It took how long this was? Bluey climbed out the cage, crawled all the way up to the top.
And Bluey's calling Green Gourd probably like, I'm up here. And Green Gourd, look how he moving around. He's trying to get up there. He don't know how.
Come on out, bro. The water is fresh. The water is clean. However they say. Oh, getting too quiet.
Because he don't know how to get out. He's trying to get up there. You can't tell. He literally don't know what to do.
Maybe.
Oh. Green Gourd is confused. He don't know how to get up there. I think he want to get up there. Bluey want him up there. Green Guard said, forget that, man. I'm just sit back here.
He making a shorter video.